Hi guys, I'm going to be making Irish pub fries. So I'm going to be putting things on here that probably is not Irish food, but I just thought it would taste good on them. So I started off with 8 russet potatoes and I used medium and small size. I scrubbed them really well and then I sliced them and I put them in a bowl of water to keep them from browning while I started preparing up the rest of the food. I sliced them about 1/4 inch thick, maybe a little bit thicker. And then I patted them dry on a towel. This is 4 tablespoons of olive oil that I'm pouring on top. And I'm going to toss this around and coat all of them. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of dried crushed rosemary, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to toss this around and coat it and get it all mixed up. And this time I'm going to use a spoon, not my hands. My oven's preheated to 400 degrees and I have lined 2 baking sheets with foil. I actually double foiled each of them. And I spread the potatoes out as evenly as I can get. Some of them are overlapping, but I've spread them out as much as I possibly can. I'm going to bake these for 15 minutes and then I'm going to flip them and bake them another 15 minutes. The potatoes are done, and in a large baking dish, I've layered half of the potatoes, and now I'm going to spread some cheddar cheese, some shredded cheddar cheese, and I'm using Sharp, across this evenly. This is about 2 cups. I really didn't measure it. I'm just sprinkling it on there until I feel that it's coated good. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to layer some cottage bacon that I had sliced up in squares. I have 6 pieces of cottage bacon, so I'm going to do half of the cottage bacon on here. And on top of that, I'm putting the second layer of potatoes. And I'm going to repeat the whole thing. My oven is still set at 400 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, you have several options right now to put stuff on here. I put some pico de gallo on there, which is not, I don't think that's an Irish part. I put some chopped up bacon on it. I have some green onion, chopped up green onion, just a little bit of that. And I'm going to put some sour cream here in the middle. Sprinkle some parsley on it. You could also sprinkle some blue cheese crumbles on it, or take some ranch dressing and drizzle it across the top. A combination of any of these would be good. So there's my Irish pub fries. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.